The Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress is one of the most iconic aircraft of World War II. Developed in the 1930s for the United States Army Air Corps, the B-17 was designed as a heavy bomber capable of defending itself while carrying a substantial bomb load over long distances. The moniker Flying Fortress was derived from its defensive firepower, which was considered formidable at the time. During the interwar period, American military planners recognized the need for a strategic bomber that could deter enemies by threatening their industrial and military infrastructure. The B-17 was developed to fulfill this role, with the anticipation that it could act as a deterrent and, if necessary, engage in strategic bombing campaigns. Manufacturing specifications of the B-17 evolved over its production life. It was a large aircraft with a wingspan of around 103 feet and a length of about 74 feet. The B-17 was powered by 4 Wright R-1820 Cyclone radial engines. This configuration allowed it to achieve speeds of about 287 miles per hour and a service ceiling of approximately 35,000 feet, which was impressive for a bomber of its time. In terms of ordnance, the B-17 was designed to carry a large bomb load. Typically, it could carry around 6,000 pounds of bombs on long-range missions, but this could be increased for shorter missions. Additionally, the aircraft was bristling with machine guns for defense, including positions in the dorsal, ventral, tail, and waist areas. There were several variants of the B-17, with the B-17E being the first major revision that saw extensive service. Later models, including the B-17F and B-17G, included improvements such as increased armor, more powerful engines, and enhanced defensive armament. During World War II, the B-17 played a crucial role in the European theater. It was used extensively by the 8th Air Force to conduct daylight precision bombing raids against German industrial targets, air bases and cities. The B-17, along with the B-24 Liberator, formed the backbone of the US strategic bombing campaign in Europe. While the B-17 was revered for its ability to absorb punishment and still make it home, it suffered heavy losses early in the war. The introduction of long-range fighter escorts like the P-51 Mustang later in the war helped to mitigate these losses. The B-17 also saw some service in the Pacific theater, but it was eventually superseded there by the B-24 and B-29, which were better suited to the long distances and specific conditions of the Pacific. In summary, the Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress was a key aircraft in the Allied war effort, particularly in the strategic bombing campaign against Germany. Its ruggedness, bomb-carrying capacity, and defensive armament made it a symbol of American air power during World War II.